juicy today, and this is like undrinkable. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Good morning, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. This morning I woke up at 5:20. I don't know what is happening. I mean, I know. Basically, my finals are coming up. I've been kind of slacking off with the studying and with, you know, preparing myself for that, and it's definitely caught up to me. I'm starting to get super anxious and nervous, and yeah, now I cannot even sleep because of it. So but yeah, I really wanted to make like this aesthetic studying vlog, and it's not really starting off great, but that's how life goes. I also wanted to go to morning yoga. I just decided not to go because I was just really not feeling it. I feel like I would just be lying to you guys. I'm not in the state of mind to like go to, you know, fancy yoga classes. I really need to sit down and start studying and like get this off my chest because I am nervous. But yeah, I didn't eat any breakfast and I think my fridge is totally empty. Yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna quickly change and go to a grocery store. It's not a grocery store, it's like an Asian market like right across the street. Yeah, let's go grab some breakfast and then let's study. Why is my grocery store outfit better than when I'm actually going out to see people? Well, anyways, let's go run across the street for some yogurt. What a gorgeous day! I forgot to pack a bag and I'm just like I mean, nothing crazy, but there we go. That's my breakfast. Guys, this is so random, but my stomach cannot handle this in the morning. I don't know if anybody else is like this, but I've been struggling with this for quite some time, for a couple of years. My stomach just has trouble taking in food in the morning. But yeah, since this is just yogurt and a banana, I'm gonna try to mix it up and make it into a smoothie, because then my stomach won't have any trouble taking in liquid. And just like that, my breakfast is in. I don't know why my body is like this. This is so freaking strange. Okay, the moment is here. It's safe to say I did everything to push this moment away. I even changed my top. To make it a little bit easier, I made a study plan. This is it. It looks like shit, I know. As you can see, there's not a lot of days because, as I said, I've been pushing this moment away. Smart me. And I also have some couple more subjects that I need to prepare for. Not as much, but like, I still do, which is kind of stressful. Anyways, today I'm gonna learn the first 3 questions from art history. Honestly, this is the subject that I prefer more, so it's fine. Table. I know this may look like it is procrastinating. I'm not even gonna try to explain. But yeah, I was studying and I was like looking out of the window, and then it kind of dawned on me that it's kind of weird that we have the table in the corner and not like in the middle of the window. It made sense in the winter time because there's the heater under the window and we didn't want to cover it with the table. But now, since we do not use the heater anymore because it's warm, I was thinking that I could move the table. Let me try it, okay? We'll see. Ooh, this lamp is so heavy. I mean, it kind of works. I don't know. Oh my god. I actually think this looks good. But I mean, this corner definitely needs something. I think that looks even worse. I don't know. Honestly, I don't think it looks that bad. I mean, it probably was better before, but like, I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and then maybe someday in the future I'm gonna move it back. But like, I don't think it looks bad. I guess we will have to do a voiceover. Yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover. Okay, so first of all, I did my makeup, so this is me showing you that, and then I grabbed the last couple of ingredients that I had left in my cupboards, which was some white rice and a tuna. So I got the white rice cooking, then I mixed the tuna with some gochujang because I didn't have any sriracha, then some mayo and soy sauce, then I mixed it all with the rice, added my last spring onion, and I was done. I mean, this portion is probably bigger than my whole head, but I'm gonna go demolish this. It disappeared. I ate so much. My food baby is really food babying, but I am starting to get really tired. I think it's just, I feel like the bad night's sleep is starting to catch up with me. Also, I woke up at 5 a.m. so I'm already like 7 hours awake, which is crazy. Also, I really wanted to go work out to the park, but it got so gray outside. I really hope it's not gonna rain, but I mean, we'll see. Anyways, let's make some coffee and I'm gonna try to continue studying. Okay, so after I had my coffee, I had the worst time focusing, so I decided to try out the 15-5 method, which is basically a method where you focus and study for 15 minutes and then have a 5-minute break. And this honestly really works for me. So yeah, if you have trouble focusing, I would definitely recommend this method because it works. The construction noise is starting to get really annoying. Plus with the rain, like it's just very hard to focus for me. But yeah, honestly, I think I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna go work out. I really wanted to go to the park as I told you, but since it's raining, I will have to do a at-home workout. I feel like that could be also helpful to like wake me up a little bit more because I am falling asleep. So the jacket and the shorts are from Halara, and then the top is from Whiskey. Ooh, I always forget how hard these are. Like they're 10 minutes, but I'm dead. Anyways, I feel like I done so little. I feel like I should work out more, but I'm honestly really not feeling it. Anyways, I'm gonna stretch for a little bit and then I'll continue my study sesh. I'm gonna go study in my bed. I know this is probably a bad idea because I will be even more sleepy, but I just really want to. I just really need to lay down. Guys, I fell asleep. Well, yeah, that was a bad idea. I don't know, was it? Because I actually really needed the nap. Like, look at me, I'm all happy. Sometimes a good power nap is all you need. Oh my god, my sock right there. I'm gonna get that. Anyways, I have a nail appointment today because my nails, they be looking nasty. I'm also trying out this new manicure technique. It is called like the OPI. I've never had that done, so I'm like very interested to see what it is. I think I'm gonna do green or red, I don't know, something like this. Anyways, I have an hour, so I'm gonna read through the things that I've learned today. After the nail salon, my boyfriend's gonna pick me up and we're gonna drive to our cottage house. So I'm also gonna try to learn something there. Let me go learn. I just finished reading everything and I realized I'm running super late to my nail appointment, so I think I'm gonna wear this dress. If you haven't seen my last haul, I got it from Rehoas. See how cute it is? I altered it to make it fit me better. What am I doing? I need to speed up. It's raining, so boots it is. I feel like I haven't worn this trench coat yet, and I feel like it's kind of like a rainy mood. I like a Picasso. I think I'm ready. Anyways, I gotta run. Let's go. I don't know if I like them.
Which one are better, mine or yours?
Yours, of course. And they also did the gels. I thought they were gonna do the OPI, but I didn't know how it looks, so I thought he started to do the OPI manicure. And then when they came to charge me, they said, oh, you probably like did it by mistake. And I was like, oh, okay. And my baby's here, and we're going to the cottage.
I like them a lot.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is